Good morning, dear kids. I am your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Fool. Today, in the New Pathways book, we are going to start with a new chapter, and that is chapter number 6. And name of the chapter is Picnic in the Woods. Bache, you all know that what is the meaning of picnic. Many of the times you go to picnic with your parents. Even at the starting of the session, even in the middle of the session, we go for the picnic in Rose Garden also. We go for the picnic in Chetak Park also, right? So here we are talking about a picnic which happens in the woods. Now, what is the meaning of woods? Woods means a small land, a small area where there are so many trees. It is not a forest, but woods are like forest, but they are small in size. Forests are big in size, but woods are small in size. So wood means a small land, a small area with trees grown over there. वहाँ पे बेटे जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो पास पास ग्रो करते हैं. देर आर सो मेनी ट्रीज इन द वुड्स आर ऑल ग्रीन फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड, एंड वहाँ पे जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो काफ़ी पास पास ग्रो करते हैं. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड दिस इज द स्टार्टर वी कैन से. एंड नाउ let me explain you first of all this exercise. I'll explain few of the words and rest of the words you will be doing by yourself. So this is what we call a grid. We call it a grid. And there are some words given to you in the blue box. In this blue box there are many words given to you, and what you are supposed to do, you have to find out these words which are given in the blue box from this grid. इस grid में से you have to find out these words. So let me tell you that how to find out these words. The first word is sandwich. So बच्चे, if we talk about this word sandwich, which is the first letter? The first letter is S. So in this grid we will find out the letter S. Let us find out. Where is S? Here we have S. A. Next letter is A. Here we have A. But ये तो उल्टा जा रहा है. So we want this word जिसके पीछे हो S. Then S के पीछे we have A and D. So यहाँ पे A and D नहीं है. Then we have S. Yes. Here also we have S. S के पीछे we have A. Yes. Then and D. Yes. So this is the word sandwich. So what will you do? You will इस तरह से आप बेटे उस वर्ड को अपनी बुक में लाइंस लगा के you will just make a circle or even a rectangle also. Next we have the word juice. It starts with J. So let us find out J. Here we have J. Yes. Here we have J and Juice. Juice. Yes. We have got the word juice. So in this way you will do this exercise in your book. Rest of the words you will find out by yourself and you will circle it. So now let us start with the reading of the chapter. So here we have Sameer and Rayan are twins. Sameer and Rayan are twins. So बच्चे, there is one boy Sameer and second boy is Rayan, and they are twins. Now what is the meaning of twins? This word twins, it means two kids, or we can say double. Twins means double also. Very simple meaning is double. But here we can say twins means two kids born on the same date. two kids born on the same date. दो बेटे, दो ऐसे बच्चे, दो ऐसे which who are born on the same date and same year and they are age mate. उनकी एज एक जैसी होती है, ठीक है. They share the same age. So twins means born on the same date and same year. Age mates, we can say age mates also, ठीक है. So Sameer and Ryan are two brothers and they are twins. Twins means they are born on the same date of the same year. And next we have Sheila and Priya live next door. Sheila and Priya, they are two girls, sisters we can say, they are two sisters and they live to the next door from Sameer and Ryan. Next door means बच्चे, जैसे हमारे घर, आपका घर है ना, या मेरा घर है, आपके घर के बच्चे नेक्स्ट जो घर है, नेक्स्ट डोर, ठीक है, द वेरी नियर होम टू योर हाउस. So Sheila and Priya, they are two girls and they live in the next door. Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. So it's a holiday today. So Sheila's mother packs SOME some TASTY tasty homemade snacks. So Sheila's mother, she has packed some tasty snacks, homemade snacks. Some tasty homemade snacks. Now बच्चों, what are snacks? Snacks में we can have many things, ठीक है. एक तो बच्चे we take food, proper dinner, lunch, ठीक है, उसमें we take roti, then vegetables, curd, that is proper food, ठीक है. Snacks में we have small things like we can have juice, we can have sandwiches, then we can have some kind of chips, homemade chips, or these kind of things are called snacks. So Sheila's mother packs some tasty snacks and lemon juice in a basket. So Sheila's mother, she packed some snacks, homemade snacks and lemon juice in a basket. Now the question is, why did Sheila's mother pack all these things? And the answer is because the four friends walked to the nearby woods for a picnic. Why did Sheila's mother pack all these things? Because all these four friends, who are the four friends now? Sameer, Ryan, Sheila and Priya. These four friends, they are going to woods for a picnic. So that's why they have got so many snacks and juice with them. Now, they spot. Now there is a word spot, which is spot means to see. Spot means to see, means to find out. Okay, they see an old tree. In the woods, they see an old tree. Ryan and Sameer spread the new mat. Spread means बिछा देना, ठीक है, जैसे you see in this picture. यहाँ पे mat is there, वो बेटे नीचे जमीन पे, it is all spread. Now we can here we can learn a sentence also. Suppose your mother asks you to help you in setting the bed. When we get up in the morning, we find that the bed sheet is all इधर उधर जो बिखरी होती है हमारी जो बेड शीट होती है, it is not all set. So if you want to say, मम्मा बोलती हैं आपको कि बेटे ये बेड शीट को प्लीज ठीक कर दो, तो इंग्लिश में we can say please spread the bed sheet. Please spread the bed sheet. So this is a new spoken sentence which we have learned today. So you can say spread the bed sheet, and यहाँ पे we can say spread the new mat. Whatever you want to spread, you can say spread the mat. Even if you want to eat a bread with jam, so you can say spread the jam on the bread, spread the butter on the jam. Now they spread the new mat under the tree. Priya sits down on the mat and reads her book. Priya is very fond of books. She wants to read the books. So now what she is doing? She is sitting on the mat and she reads her book. Sheila sits on the small bench. Near the tree, Sheila is sitting on a small bench near the tree and watches. Again, bete, watch means dekhna. Squirrels scurry. Now we all know what are squirrels. Let me show you one pic of squirrel. That is the squirrel. That is the squirrel, an animal. So here we got a squirrel and Sheila sits on the small bench and she is watching the squirrels scurry up and down. Up we all know upar, down we all know niche. Now what is the meaning of scurry? Scurry means bete to run quickly. You must have seen a squirrel. Squirrel, they runs very fast. They runs very fast. So here also the squirrel is scurry. Scurry means running fast, run quickly. And who is watching the squirrel? Sheila. Sheila is watching the squirrel. And next page we have on the next page. Rian and Sameer play with a ball. Rian and Sameer, they are playing with the ball. They throw means bete फेंकना. Throw means फेंकना. जैसे we all throw the ball. ठीक है? So throw means फेंकना. So they throw it up. They throw it up in the air. They throw it up in the air. ऊपर उछालते हैं उसको. And catch it before it falls on the ground. They throw the ball up in the air and catch it before it falls on the ground. And they are catching it and before it falls on the ground. Ball जो है वो ground से के ऊपर नहीं गिरने दे रहे हैं. They are just throwing it in the air and they are catching it. Sheila and Priya join them. Join means to be a part of. Sheila and Priya, they also came to Rian and Sameer and now they all are playing the game. What is the game here? They all are throwing the ball in the air and they are catching it. They take turns. Turns means one by one. Turn means one by one. Suppose Rian has thrown the ball, then Sameer has thrown the ball, then Sheila and then Priya. So they are taking turns. They are not fighting. We should never fight to play. Whenever you go in the ground, you play with your friends, you should never fight. We should always play taking turns. Now, one little squirrel comes down the tree trunk. One squirrel, it comes down from the tree trunk. एक ट्री से एक जो स्क्विरल है, it comes down. ठीक है, वो नीचे आ जाती है. Trunk means बेटे a part of the tree. Trunk is a part of the tree. Stem like part. जैसे stem होती है ना, so trunk we can say a stem like part of the tree. So the squirrel came down. Sheila holds out a biscuit in her hand. Sheila had a biscuit in the hand. Sheila is having a biscuit in the hand. The squirrel comes close and nibbles at the biscuit. Now, Sheila tried to give the biscuit to the squirrel, and that's a very good thing. We should give food to the animals. And now what happened next? The squirrel, it comes close, वो शीला के पास आई and nibbles at the biscuit. Now what is the meaning of nibble? Let me show you the picture. Here if you see in the picture, the squirrel is eating something. So this is what we call nibbling. This is what we call nibbling. Nibbling means to eat something with small bites. If you see, squirrel has very small mouth. तो बेटे वो बड़ी बड़ी बाइट तो नहीं लेती है. So squirrel is eating biscuit. Nibbles means to eat something with small bites. With small bites. छोटी छोटी bites लेके. At the biscuit. Now squirrel is eating biscuit and she is nibbling it. Nibbling at the biscuit means taking small bites. Sameer shouts aloud. Sameer ने जोर से, he shouted. Aloud means loudly. Hello furry friend. Who is furry friend here? Furry friend means squirrel. Why did he call it furry? Furry means squirrel is very soft. It has fur on the body. on her body. She has fur. Fur means bete a soft content. So squirrel is very soft. So that's why Samir shouted loudly, "Hello, furry friend." The little squirrel raises his tail. उसने अपनी she raises means up, to get up, ऊपर करना. अपनी tail उसने ऊपर की and hides behind the tree trunk. And she hides means छिप जाना. ठीक है. So she went behind the tree. She went behind the tree. Why did she went? Now we can see here, we can understand that when Samir he shouted loudly, it means the squirrel got scared. The squirrel got scared. वो डर गई, वो afraid हो गई. So that's why she went behind the tree. And why did she went over there? Why did she go over there? Because she got afraid और वो वहाँ पे जाके छिप गई. Now he feels safe there. Squirrel was safe over there. ठीक है. So she got afraid and went over there behind the tree. Samir holds out the biscuit and softly says. Then Samir realized his mistake. Samir को समझ आ गया that he had made the squirrel afraid, that he had made the squirrel afraid, कि उसने squirrel को डरा दिया है. So what he did, he holds out the biscuit, he holded a biscuit in his hand and he softly says, softly means politely, प्यार से. क्या बोला उसने? Sorry furry friend. He said sorry to the squirrel. Sorry furry friend. Now the squirrel was not afraid because when Samir spoke out softly, जब उसने प्यार से बात की squirrel से, then squirrel comes near. तो squirrel उसके पास आ गई because now she was not afraid. Now squirrel was not afraid. Squirrel comes near and nibbles at the biscuit. And now again, squirrel had started nibbling. Nibbling means to take small bites at the biscuit in his hand. Samir was having a biscuit in his hand and squirrel had started nibbling at the biscuit. Then the children sit down and enjoy their picnic lunch. And after that, they all sat and they all enjoyed their picnic lunch. Rayan, Samir, Priya and Sheila, they all these four friends, they enjoyed their picnic lunch. So this was all about the chapter. And what we have learned in this chapter? We have learned that the first thing is that making friends is a good thing. Making friends is a good thing. We should make many friends and we should play with them because friends give us happiness. Second thing which we have learned is that whenever you go to somewhere in the playground, in any of the function, you should never fight with anybody. Even in the playground, like Sheila, Priya, Ryan and Samir, they were playing taking turns. They were playing taking turns. So you should always play taking turns. You should not fight with anybody in the playground. And the third thing which we have learned is that animals are also our friends. We should not make them afraid. हमें animals को डराना नहीं चाहिए. They are also very good friends of ours. वो भी हमारे अच्छे दोस्त बन सकते हैं अगर हम उनको नहीं डराएंगे. And if we behave them kindly, if we behave to them in a kind manner, in a polite manner, then they can also be our friends. Animals भी हमारे friends बन सकते हैं. So this is your homework for today also, dear kids. You have to read this chapter very carefully, find out the difficult words and learn the meaning of those words, whatever words I have explained in this video. So everybody take care of yourself. This was your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Fool. Thank you and have a nice day.